Sick. Today's video we're going to be showing some of the baits we've been using at these local ponds here in Texas. Hope you guys stick around and enjoy. Got a big one at the end. So the swim bait here first. Back at our usual spot. Throwing the divine swim bait at him right now. We're gonna have 20-mile-an-hour winds today, guys. Another beautiful windy day, of course. But that's the way it is here in Texas. It's just the way it is. Just the way it is. Oh yeah, this lure looks insane. This lure looks great. All we need is for it to work now. Let me show you guys what I'm using to give you an idea. The divine swim bait. What's up, Lee G? Morning. How's the weather? It's like 70 degrees right now, cloudy. Should get hotter though later on. Got about 20-mile-an-hour winds. Just pretty fast. $105-degree weather there. Holy shit. In Morocco? That's insane. You're in the gulag, melting. Maybe they don't want to swim bait. But this wind is going to be howling here in a few. It's going to be howling. I'm thinking we'll be able to make them bite over there as usual. That's bass number one. Bass number one down, guys. We'll see, Legendary. Take it easy, man. Take it easy. We got first fish of the day. First fishy of the day. Fish on the swim bait. On the Divine swim bait. They got some red on their tail, like they're stressed out or something. That's weird. See them later. Do a flip, do a flip. It's a Divine swim bait by 6 cents. Divine swim bait. I got it dipped in chartreuse, the tail. I think it's walleye are pretty common here too. Nice, nice. They say those are fun to catch, right? It's pretty fun. I think we caught 6 catfish yesterday and 3 largemouth. Wasn't a bad day. Wasn't a bad day at all. Oh, you're trolling and stuff with the walleye? Understandable. That's a bass. That's fish number 2, guys. Fish number 2 on the Divine swim bait. I don't want to break his jaw here. Really don't. There we go. Ripped him up a little bit, but he'll be all right. He'll be all right. We'll see him later. Try and catch his mama. Let's try and catch his mama. Do a flip. Oh, he freaking booked it. That was awesome. You got a good little flip there. Good little flip. Big bass. See if we get a few more. That's a bite. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, big bass. Big bass, boys, big bass. Oh no. No, come here. Oh, I stuck my foot in the floor in the, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go weigh him up. Nice fish.
How many you got?
Third one so far. Let's weigh him up, guys. My bag's down there though. Try one more time. Yep, 3 pounds. You guys see that? You guys see that? Beautiful fish right there. Let's get him back in, guys. Let's get him back in. Pretty long post-spawn fish. Not that fat, but good little fight. Good little fight. Good little fight. I appreciate you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys on my next videos. Thanks again. Off he goes.